Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of May 3rd through the 9th. And this week I'm going to, I think this month I'm going to do kind of like floral themes just for, you know, spring, and haven't really done many spring spreads this year. So I'm going to concentrate on that. So I have this Planner Society kit that my friend gave me a bunch of her Planner Society kits when she moved to Texas. So it has the stickers, has these really cute decorative stickers, and then this particular kit has kind of like home decor theme to it, and that's really what I've been doing the last couple of months, is kind of like redecorating my house. And I just kind of want to, I'm kind of in that mood of redecorating. So I thought it would be cute to do something with this stuff. So let's go ahead and put all this stuff aside. And I think I'm going to do, I have this vellum piece. I've got these two florals and then this acetate piece. I think I want to just do the thing where I cut it and put this piece down and then kind of glue on top of everything. So I feel like there's a direction though. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this whole, I cut that out. I do want to use this floral too, because that's a lot of the stickers has both of these florals in it. So I think I'm probably going to do this on the side panel. So maybe I could do, this feels like it goes this way. I guess there's really not a direction. So let me cut this piece. I actually think I might, I kind of like what I did last week when I went over the margin. I kind of liked that. So maybe I'll do that, but I think I'm actually going to use my, tear ruler and kind of tear it just a little bit. And I'm kind of going to go into the Monday. Just to bring that out a little bit, the tear, I'm going to just put some tea dye, some Tim Holtz Distress Oxide tea dye ink on it. This will sit right here. I have these like blue dot strips. I think I'm just going to use these in the corners. Because you can't really see the glue dots. Okay, so there's my base for that side, and I think I'm going to do the same thing over here. Basically just going to mirror them. I think I'm actually going to mirror it exactly. I'm going to just cut it to the exact same size. Okay, so I got the glue dots on this one. I'm just going to line it up at the edge. And I think I'm going to actually bring this one all the way to the end, so it goes off the edge a little bit. Yeah, I like that. And then maybe I'll do some rose gold washi at the bottom. So I've got the washi tape, I got all the stuff down, and I think it's time to put stickers down. So it's sticker time! All right, well, I think that's actually done. I think this is the quickest I've done a planner in a long time. Well, I am going to put it in the planner. And let's go ahead, and I think this one's done. I really like how it turned out. I have so many stickers though. The collections came with so many stickers and so many different things. So I will probably add more stuff to it as the week goes on, but for now I think I'm going to be done. I don't want it to get too busy, so I don't know how many more stickers I'm going to add. But let me show you what last week's was. So this is how it turned out. Had some stuff. I actually just did this. So I recorded my plan with me. I have a recorded video for my journal with me, so that'll be up on Friday. And then I'm hoping I'll get an organizational video out on Wednesday. We'll see if that actually happens. But yeah, I like how this one turned out, and that was last week's, and then this is this week's. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will see you again next time. Bye for now.